Hi there. In this video, we're going to walk through how to import a list of contacts. So assuming that you've downloaded a list and it's saved as a .csv file type, all we need to do is come over here to Contacts, select Contacts. We're going to click Add Contacts, and we're going to import contacts. So step number one is to select the file. I'm going to go ahead and choose my file here. And step number two is to map the fields. So essentially what's happening here is we could see, okay, these are the fields that we can see in your CSV file. So these are being pulled from the column headers. And then what we're saying over here is, okay, these are the fields that we have available in high level, just map them. So this is all pretty straightforward. Phone maps to phone, email maps to email. But what you could see here is some of the fields don't map by default. So date added. I would come down here and look for a date added field. And if I don't have it, then I would need to cancel this, go make the custom field, come back, redo the import so that I can map everything that I want mapped over. Once you have all your fields mapped, hit continue. It'll show you an example. Make sure that that looks good. One tip is in your spreadsheet before you download it, if you want tags, just add a column with a header of tags, and then you could add the tags in those cells separated by comma, and then those will pull in as well. Hit continue, and now you have a couple of options. The first one is saying if we see a duplicate contact, meaning somebody in the list that we're importing is already in your account, what should we do? Option number one is to update the contact with the data that's in the document we're importing, but only the fields that are empty. So what this is saying is, let's say you're importing a contact John Smith who's already in the system, and in the document you're importing, it has a zip code. The contact that's already in high level does not have a zip code, so it's only going to update that zip code field and not the other fields that already have information in them. If you want it to overwrite everything, regardless of what's already in high level, you would select option number 2. Or option number 3 is just ignore that contact altogether and don't do anything. We recommend this one. We're going to hit continue. And now we can add tags. So this is helpful if you're going to push these people straight into a campaign, let's say. You would add a new tag. So, let's say tag 1. And then you're going to go ahead, hit done. It's going to import those contacts. And now we can see that they're here and they have this tag. So if I wanted to add them to a campaign, the next step is usually going to marketing, bulk requests, creating a bulk request, give it a name, and then you would select the tag that you just added. And now I can push all these people into a campaign. So that's how you import contacts. See you in the next video.